Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This masterful property, located in walking distance to the Silver Sands Beach in Trelawny, is a must-see. A two-story villa sitting on quarter acre of land in the community of Silver Sands. And it doesn't stop there. The entry foyer creates a grand opening to a very spacious house with an exceptional layout. Two primary bedrooms, both with walk-in closets and ensuites, along with three additional bedrooms and two bathrooms, make this a welcoming home for all guests. The perfectly manicured garden, along with fruit trees, allows for children to play safely outside while breathing in the fresh sea air and cool breeze. It is in close proximity to the North Coast Highway, which allows for short travel to Montego Bay or Kingston via the highway. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.